Okay, this is like my 27th take here because it seems a little bit flaky, but anyways. All right, so when I was looking at why we weren't able to create a pie chart, I noticed that there were these green triangles up in the upper left corner of the cell. So when I highlight the cell, let me go back over. Okay, when I highlight the cell, I get this yellow diamond with an exclamation point. So I hover my cursor over it. I can click on that, and it tells me that the number is stored as a text value, not a number. Well, it needs to be stored as a number. Otherwise, it won't be able to calculate the values for the pie chart. So I'm going to go ahead and convert to number. You'll also see that, perhaps if you didn't see, that the total over here changes as well, because again, as it was calculating 291 plus 330 plus 228, it wasn't seeing 330 as a number, so it wasn't including it into the total. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all these cells where there's that green triangle, hover over the yellow diamond with the exclamation point and control number. I'm going to do the same thing down here. And maybe you're seeing that the values are changing on the total column. Okay, all right, so that corrects our problem. So now to create the pie chart, and I'm telling you it's a little bit squirrely, I'm going to highlight our headers, okay? Then I'm going to highlight our values. I'm going to go over here to insert. I'm going to choose pie chart, and when I click on that, all right, try it again, okay? There, and there, insert. Okay, so there's our pie chart. All right, so now I want to show the values at each of these sections of the pie, right? Slices of the pie. So all I have to do is bring my cursor into one of the pie slices. I right click, I come down here to add data labels, and I just choose add data labels. And then all the values show up here. That's if you want to show the values, okay? So that's our pie chart, okay? I can click here and change the name of the pie chart to whatever you want to change it to, okay? All right, so now we're going to create the bar graph, or the column graph. So I'm going to hit escape here just to kind of clear things out because it seems kind of finicky. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just set up my cell where I'm going to put the column graph. I'm not sure if that's necessary, but at any rate, that's where I'm going to start. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to hold my control button down. I'm going to click Reagan, Harbor, Santa Monica, and in this case, we want total patient revenue. So I'm going to click on those, okay? Then I'm going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to choose my column graph. So I click the drop down, I click it, boom. There it is, okay? Now, I can drag it around if I want to. Okay, I'm going to drag it down here, and I'll scroll down. And essentially, I'm going to do the same thing. So you see that it's set up some incremental values here vertically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click in one of these columns. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. Add data labels. All right, hit data label. And you can see now it's added the values equal to UCLA Reagan, UCLA Harbor, and Santa Monica. Okay? If I make this a little bit bigger, there we go, because there was a trailing zero if you saw that or not. And there you go. Now, you can move this down. You can change the chart title to whatever you want to change it. And then, of course, we'll hit save. I'm going to go ahead and send this to you. All right, I'm going to try to get you this video. Okay, so that's exercise 4. I love you. Working on 5. Bye.